just walked down there to get my chair when the phone started ringing. Go figure, eh? So, that attempt at a start didn't really work out. Whatever. So it's evening class time, and I wanted to talk about something that I hadn't really had a chance to talk to you about, because I was really mystified. On Sunday morning, I saw some birds out in the backyard. First, I saw the squirrels and the bunny, but then after I saw the bunny, I saw a crow-like bird fly by above through the trees in the backyard area. Now, my backyard, the next backyard behind me, and so on. And this was unusual because crows don't usually fly sort of down through, but this was really a big crow. It really looked big. I thought, wow, big bird. Big, black, wings flapping and all that. And then, all of a sudden, there was another one. I thought, oh, another one. But this one was different. This one, instead of having the black beak, like the first crow had the black beak, and it was big, really, really big. This one had a yellow beak. And I thought, whoa, what? Crows have black beaks. What is this yellow beak thing? But it looked exactly like the crow, only it had a yellow beak. And they were both big birds, like large, almost hawk size, okay? Which crows really are not hawk-sized, but these were big. And they were not vultures, because the vultures don't have black heads, and these looked like crows, only really big. Anyway, to cut things short, I looked it up on the internet. I looked it up in bird books. I tried to figure out what these birds could have been. Really big crow-like birds, one with black beak, one with yellow beak. I couldn't figure it out. Mystery birds. I have no idea what they were. So if you know what they were, maybe Mark, or maybe Joe, what could my mystery bird have been? Looked like a large crow. One with a black beak, one with a yellow beak. Shouldn't be such a thing. I don't know. Anyway, it's shortly after 6. Ta for now.